everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Just For You coupon. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to redeem your coupons for Just For You, go and click open your web browser and go to www.safeway.com and press enter. Once you're logged into your account, in order to redeem your coupon, what you'll need to do is go ahead and add an item that you'd like to buy. Let me just click on one of the items from the home screen. After you click on add, in the pop-up, go ahead and select whether you'd like the item to be delivered to you or you'd like to go pick it up yourself. Add any more items that you'd like to add in your shopping cart from your home screen and go and click on the shopping cart icon at the top right. Now, proceed to checkout by clicking on checkout. In the checkout page, go and type in your contact number. If you'd like to receive text about order status updates, check on this box right here. If you have any special instructions for the delivery staff, you can type it in the text box. For example, you can type it in instructions like this. Now click continue. Now choose a date and time for your delivery. Go ahead and fill in the rest of the information. Now type in the Just For You code that you'd like to redeem in the text box where it says promo code. Once you type it in, click on apply and you'll be able to redeem your coupon for Just For You. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.